So far we have done scenarios. So this is the 10th scenario we have to do, persisting data using volumes. So in this scenario we can learn how to persist and share the data between containers using volumes. So Docker volumes allows you to upgrade containers, restart machines and share data without data loss. This is essential when updating database or applications versions. So we'll start the scenario. So there are 3 steps. First one is to data volumes. The Docker volumes are created and assigned when containers are started. Data volumes allow you to map a host directory to a container for sharing data. The mapping is bidirectional. It allows the data stored on the host to be accessed from within the container. It also means data saved by the process inside a container is persisted on the host. So we move to the task. Here in this example, we are using Redis as a way to persist data. Start Redis below and create a data volume with parameter. Now we can use the pipe operator, so we can pipe data into the Redis instance using the command get data, and we're going to pipe it to the next part. So Redis will save this data to this. On the host, we can investigate the map direct, which should contain the Redis data file. So using ls command, and same way, save direct can be mounted to a second container. One usage is to have the container performing backup operations on your data. So we are getting backup. Then we can move to the second step, which is shared volumes. Data volumes mapped to the host are great to persist data. However, to gain access to them from another container, you need to know the exact path, which can make it error-prone. An alternative approach is to use volumes from the parameter maps the mapped volume from the source container to the container being watched. So, using this command or run command, this will allow us to access volume from other containers without having to be concerned how they are persisted on the host. In the last step, we are using read-only volumes. So mounting volumes gives the container full read and write access to the directory. You can specify read-only permission to the directory by adding the permission. So if the container attempts to modify data within the directory, it will error. So that's all for this scenario. Now we can move to the next scenario.